Based on the successful Zebra 3600 series, BARTEC introduces the BCS 3600 series, the roughest, toughest scanner series ever created. The BARTEC BCS 3600 series has the highest drop and tumble spec for any rugged scanner, allowing for 8-foot drops and over 5,000 tumbles. It's 100% dust-proof, can handle the force of jetting water, survive the blazing heat of outdoor yards, and can now operate flawlessly in hazardous locations. Digital barcodes, electronic barcodes, no problem. Capture scratched, dirty, and poorly printed barcodes in any direction, and barcodes under shrink wrap or frost. Even capture up to 20 barcodes with a single scan. The BARTEC BCS 3600 series is available in a corded model as well as a cordless model that boasts the industry's superior cordless technology, setting workers free with Bluetooth 4.0 for lightning-fast data capture and enough battery power for thousands of scans without needing to be recharged. That's more than a 50% increase in battery capacity over previous models. And that's not all. It also comes with a first-in-its-class battery charge gauge. Similar to the look on your mobile phone, now users can easily monitor battery power throughout the day. No more unexpected dead batteries that impact worker productivity. The new BARTEC BCS 3600 high-performance scanner reads 1D and 2D barcodes from up to 7 feet away, with the added flexibility to capture photos, documents, signatures, and OCR. It's specially engineered to perform in hazardous locations, from the platform to the refinery to the truck. The BARTEC BCS 3600 is ideal for use in the pharma, oil and gas, chemical, and petrochemical industries. No other scanner comes close to the ease of use and high-tech professionalism thanks to the partnership between BARTEC and Zebra. For more information, visit bartecmobility.com and discover what makes the BARTEC BCS 3600 series deliver truly unstoppable performance.